Hey, today I'm going to show you how you can add your own name to your iPhone lock screen. It's actually a really simple process. We're going to do this through focus modes. So first, go ahead, unlock your phone. And what we're going to want to do is scroll in the top right-hand corner to bring down our control center. Once we've done that, we're going to go ahead and tap and hold on the focus modes. And then what we want to do is go to where it says new focus mode. We're going to select this. From here, we want to go to custom. And this is the key right here. So you just want to type in your name, right? I'm going to go ahead, type in Spencer. Sorry for my dog barking in the background. And then you can customize this however it is that you want. And then you can go to customize focus mode. Now, we don't actually want to use this focus mode to silence anything. So we're not going to edit any of this, okay? So now we can go ahead and get out of here, right? And you'll notice that it's still not there, and that's because I have do not disturb on. But I can scroll down into my control center here. I'm going to select this, and now I'm going to use Spencer. And now it shows my name right there down at the bottom. So that's how you put your personal name on your lock screen on your iPhone. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.